Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make mutton leg roast to celebrate the festival of Eid. Here I have a 2 kg goat leg or Raan for this recipe. I'm going to make some deep cuts into the flesh of the goat leg so that the marination goes deep into the meat. I'm going to make the cuts on both sides of the leg. Here I have made a cut in the knee joint so that the bone cooks properly. That's all the cuts made. Now let's marinate the goat leg. Add the juice of 2 lemons onto the leg. Followed by crushed ginger and garlic, a bit of malt vinegar, turmeric or haldi powder, some red chili powder, a bit of salt, a little bit of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Rub the goat leg with the marinade very well. Make sure you massage the goat leg on both sides and all over. Put some of the marinade into the cuts so that it goes deep inside. I'm just going to add a bit more turmeric, red chili powder, and malt vinegar to the other side of the leg and continue to rub everything together. That's the first marinade done. We are now going to cover the leg with cling film and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight if you have the time. It's been 12 hours. Now let's take the leg out of the fridge. As you can see, the meat has changed color, indicating that it is well marinated. Now let's prepare the second marinade. I will need 1 cup of thick beaten yogurt or dahi, to which I will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt, and give it a mix. Then add some mace or javitri powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and mix everything together with a spoon. Here I have some cloves or long and some cinnamon or dalchini. I'm going to insert them in the cuts on the goat's leg, as this will add maximum flavor to the goat leg. Now let's add the yogurt marinade to the goat leg. Massage the marinade very well into the goat leg. Push the marinade into the cuts in the meat as well. Turn the leg over and add some yogurt marinade onto the other side. And massage the other side as well, very well. ensuring that the marinade goes deep into the cuts as well. Pour some oil onto the goat leg. Wipe the sides of the tray clean so that there is no marinade burning on the sides of the tray. That's the leg now ready for the oven. Cover the tray with foil and seal the edges. Then put it in a preheated fan oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the tray out and carefully open the foil. Check to see if the meat is tender, and here, as you can see, it needs a bit more cooking. Baste the leg with the juices from the tray and pour some of the juices into the cuts. Cover the tray again with foil and put it back in the oven at 150 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out again and take off the foil and baste the leg again with its juices. Use a brush to do this task. Put 1 teaspoon of ghee on the leg and spread it all around, all over. Now it needs to go back in the oven for 15 minutes without the foil cover, and then take it out after 15 minutes. As you can see, the leg is now perfectly cooked and a bit browned, and the meat is moist, juicy and falling off the bone. Let's start serving this Raan with some sliced onions, chopped coriander and slit green chilies. This celebratory roast mutton leg is absolutely delicious and perfect for Eid to feed your family and friends. This dish can be eaten on its own, with chapatis or with pulao. Wish you all Eid Mubarak. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!